Hello everyone. So in this video I wanted to talk about schooling, especially college and financial aid, etc. and accommodations, things like that. So I have a bunch of accommodation videos I've already done. Many of them are also applicable for college. However, there's one thing that is a huge point for me. And that is that a lot of people, when they start college, they're told that 15 to 18 credits is a full load, 12 credits is a partial load, and 9 credits is like half time, if that. That's not the way the federal government figures it. The federal government figures if you're taking at least 6 credits, then you're taking a half a load. You are eligible for financial aid. And you'll get half of what you're able to get. 9 credits is 3/4 time. You'll get 75%. 12 credits is full time, and you will get 100% of your financial aid. So why does this make a difference? 3 credits is a lot more work. So if you're taking 15 to 18 credits, you're doing that much more work and there's that much more demand. When you're someone with a chronic illness, that much more pressure on you can be enough to make it that you can't go to school. So people who are pushing you to take 15 to 18 plus credits, be aware of that. Be aware, especially if you have chronic illness. Be aware that that's probably not a good place to start, especially if you've not been in college full time. And I say college because you cannot compare credits in high school to credits in college. I don't care what people say. College is a whole nother ballgame. One class in high school is totally different than one class in college. Some ways it's harder, some ways it's easier. And so you can't really compare it all. Another thing is, in high school, each class, no matter how hard or how easy it is a class. In college, something that's 2 credits is easier than something that's 4 credits, but they're both a class. So when you're saying take 15 credits, that's generally 5 classes. They think that you can do that. The thing is a lot of teachers also plan it such that their class is maybe the only class you're taking. And so you can be overwhelmed with homework on certain days, things like that. So being aware and advocating for yourself, or if you are helping someone who has a chronic illness with classes, whether you're someone who's an advisor at a college or you're a parent or things like that, don't recommend someone with chronic illness take more than 12 credits. 13, okay, maybe 14. But don't be pushing to take at least 15 credits or more. Push them for 15 and above. No, don't do that. Recommend closer to 12 or even 9 to start out with, or 6, depending on how bad their chronic illness is, because you want them to succeed. If they fail their first quarter, it's going to be a lot harder to get financial aid, and they're going to be discouraged, which is going to make it harder, things like that. Set them up for success. So I hope that helps. In my case, I have my son is actually struggling because he was set up for failure by the people who were supposed to help him get ready for school. And he didn't believe me and believed them. And now he's not sure if he's going to be able to go to college because of it. So I hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.